Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. This video features a good friend of mine who's had his hair twisted since I met him. As a result, his hair started breaking off in certain places and, well, I convinced him not to shave it completely. So here's my attempt in trying to reinvent his look. Again guys, this is my friend, not a model. Now the final shot of this haircut I saved for last, so please make sure you watch this video all the way through until the end. Likes, shares, and comments will help this video gain traction so that others can watch it and learn. Now before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. Alright guys, let's get started. My friend already has a lot of hair, so I decided it would be best to just start from scratch. I'm using the number 1 guard with the blade fully extended. And the machine I'm using is the 357 Magnum by Caliber. The next step is to create the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using the 22 Stinger by Caliber. The next step is to remove the hair from underneath the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using another 22 Stinger by Caliber, but this one is zero gapped. The next step is to erase the guideline, or better yet, the bald line. The way I do this is that I fully extend the blade on my clipper, and each time I pass through the section, I close the blade further and further until the line is erased. All you have to do is just watch closely. You'll get it. For this exercise, I'm using the 50 cal mag by Caliber. Attach a 1 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach the half guard and fully extend the blade. Focus on the demarcation. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat until the demarcation has been erased. The next step is to create the lineup. For this exercise, I'm using the 38 Super by Caliber. The next step is to clean up the lineup with the straight razor. Alright guys, if your transformation haircut looks like this or better, you have done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and always remember, always be learning, always be practicing, and always be humble. All of the clippers and trimmers in this video have been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.